going to the next one. Now, name cells, name ranges. Basically, right, it's like this. You can actually name your cell. Example here, Indonesia here, right? Right, you see some numbers here. You actually give a name to this 758. So where is it? It's actually right here. So you click on this, right? Can you click on this? Put in a name. Say, put in Indonesia. See this? Indonesia. Enter. So that you got it right here. You click on anywhere else, okay, and then you come back to here again. Indonesia is right here. So that if you go to the first page, okay, can you find Indonesia as well? Sorry, can you see my screen being zoomed in? Does it work? Is my screen zoom in? Okay guys, can you see my screen zoom in? Cannot? Nothing happens. Okay, hang on. How about this? Can alright. So okay, can you look for this? I'll press this. So I'm going to do it, and I'm going to click on this. You see this? Indonesia. So right here, I'm actually on this worksheet here, right? Different worksheet. So when I come to here, I look at this. When I click on this, it comes back to here. The name, this cell is actually named Indonesia, and it's unique across the workbook. Okay, all right. If I need to change any names at all, okay, let's say I make a spelling error, okay, you can go to formulas, and go for name manager. Young Ming, you're having a 2007 version. Are you able to find name manager on your site?
Yes, when I click down the function, similar function below, there's one where I can type in.
Can find name manager?
Can.
So if you click on name manager, very good. So name manager, do you see Indonesia right here, guys? So that jumpa kah guys? Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. If I don't need the name anymore, I can delete, of course. Yeah. Okay. I can also edit if I make any spelling issues. So I can also not only edit Indonesia, but change the cell and so on and so forth. Okay. So this part here is right under name manager if I want to do any changes. Okay. Now, can you come to the C20, put an equal sign. I want you to type Indonesia. See this? Can you double click on it? You don't have to finish typing, just double click, enter. You got this amount, 758. Okay, good. So some of you are nodding ahead, so I got it. Amira, so I saw that. Maslina, you alright? Can you get it? Maslina? Yes. Okay, great. I want you to save things. And you can do things like, example, Nepal here. Can you name it? So here, right? Put Nepal. Enter. And of course, when you come here, alright, I do a Nepal here, and there it is. Double click, and it's here. The amount is just the same as here. You can also do things like equal sign Indonesia. Where is it? So we're gonna plus Indonesia plus Nepal. See that? And we get this. And of course, I'm going to arrange everything and put a comma star. I'm going to home and put a comma star right here, so I can see things clearly. This plus this is equals this. I can see it very clearly. I'm going to arrange these two right here. Do you guys have this status bar? Should be here. This is called your status bar. I'm referring to this amount here, which is 1.1 million. Other status bar. This is called status bar. This whole thing. Okay, status bar. What does a status bar do? It gives us things like plus, minus, and so I'm simply going to range something. Alright, I come to here. See this thing here? It gives me average, count, and sum. I can right click and add a few more functions. So status bar is all here. You see the check mark? These are the functions which are on the status bar. This bunch of things you can actually customize, put a tick there and have it on your status bar. Okay, all right, you guys all right? So we're naming our cells, okay, cells, cells. Okay, one square rectangle here is our cell. Any questions on this? Okay, senang kan? So if we don't, why do we name it? Can you not name it? Yes, we can. See this? I'm taking this plus, alright, or equal sign, this plus this. I didn't name, now because I name it already, right? The name actually appears. I can also directly put it like that without naming anything. The answer is of course the same. Okay, I'm going to home and putting a comma star here. Okay, now this formula here, this function here is for Excel 2016 and above. Okay, I want you to try it. If you don't have it, it's okay. So it's 2016 and above. Come to here, equal sign, formula tags, double click on it, point it to here and enter. See this? Formula tags. Guys got it? Formula tags. Cuba try guys. Formula tags. Thanks, Amira. So what's the use of formula tags? Ini cuma mempermudahkan kita. Kalau kita nak tengok kan rujukan sebagai rujukan formula isi kandungan sel so formula tags kan akan memaparkan formula dalam sel yang kita hendak lah. Alright, okay. So bermula dari Excel 2016. Now what if you don't have Excel 2016? Just make note of it. If you upgrade, next time you'll actually be able to use it. Okay, no problem. And save. Next worksheet here, right here. You can also do this, guys. Okay, you see this? I'm ranging from B4. I'm actually clicking on B4. You see that my name box actually tells me the address of the cell B and 4. I'm here now. See B4. Okay, that's normal kan? I can range this whole thing and come here, right here. Okay, let's do it. Remember, this training is together. Basically, you do things together. So plug in range 1, enter. See this? Click on anywhere else. Click on this. You got a range 1. It's right here. I already have on my screen. I already have Indonesia, Nepal, range 1. Okay, so you must have range 1 right now. Range 1 is just like this whole entire thing. Okay, just like that. Can jadi kah? Just now cell yang individu, sekarang the whole bunch of cells. Okay.
Tak boleh letak.
Sorry, no Aisha. Yeah.
Range. I type range 1 kan. Okay, range 1.
Ya, betul.
Then you must enter a valid reference you want to go.
No space allowed.
Oh, no
Yeah,
space.
you need space, right? You need to put underscore. I'm going to range 2 right now. Okay, see this, right? If I put in range, so look here guys, I put a space, dual, it won't work because it won't accept space. If you want a space, you should put underscore. Okay, range underscore dual, enter. Got that? Okay. Let me see what's going on the next one here. Alright, we be applying this stuff here for the name ranges. So this is name ranges. Okay, tadi name cell kerana satu cell sahaja, and we know that we can campur melalui nama cell. Alright, and why do we do that? Well, it's like this. It's actually not necessary to name every cell. Hanya cell yang kita guna selalu tau. We know that, okay, if we use the cell all the time, right? We want to add stuff, do mathematical functions all the time, we can name the cell. Otherwise, no need. Why? Because we are dealing with so many cells. Naming all the cells will be highly unnecessary, right? Correct, betul tak? Okay, but when it comes to ranges, right? Okay, naming ranges is more common. Because range, and we always add the whole entire range, right? So it's more common. So let's go to the next worksheet. So guys, I'm on this worksheet right now. Okay, now can you come to the jumlah sini, double click on this. So this is the formula for this. Okay, okay, I want you to do this. Now you see all these boxes, kan? All these boxes, they are notes, short points. You might notice something here. Go to formulas, shortcut dan sebagainya, kan? I also have alternative way of doing it. So sometimes I'm not following what's inside the notes. Okay. So what to do now? I want you to do this, guys. I want you to range Indonesia to Laos right now, because I want you to give a name to this. Okay, boleh? So lepas tu step kedua, tujukan ke name box, please. I want you to name something. So I'm going to put a name there. I'm going to call this whole range jumlah underscore keseluruhan. Make sure my spelling is correct. My cursor is blocking. Luruhan. Enter. So jumlah underscore keseluruhan. Okay, and I want to test it right now. I'm clicking on any other cell, coming back here, testing it. So it's not bad. Okay, so I want to get this back right now. So I'm coming here. So let's go, put an equal sign, do a sum, as you, no need to finish typing, please don't ever finish typing, because sum is just right here. So that I want you to double click on the sum, because when you double click, it also opens up the bracket for you. Because if the syntax is very long, you end up typing a lot of things. I don't want you to do that. I just want you to double click. Alright, see this? And can you type in jumlah keseluruhan, please? So make sure I haven't finished typing. Saw that. I just type like JU macam itu. It's all here, and I'm going to double click because jumlah keseluruhan is very long, right? So I want to save my time. Okay, so double click, it's all here, and I don't want to close the bracket as well because I want to let auto correct close the bracket for me. So I get this. Okay, boleh? And putting a comma style. Dapat? And of course, I'm going to use formula tags. Sebagai rujukan, mana formula tags? Okay, the answer is the same. But why do you name jumlah keseluruhan macam itu? Kalau kita selalu buat maybe some formulas on the same range kan, we can actually give it a name so that we know is quite fixed. You know, it's actually jumlah keseluruhan basically. Alright, just alternative lah. Boleh? Any questions setakat ni? Anything at all? Ada apa-apa soalan, guys? Nothing? All good? Okay, I'm going to go on to the next one. Make sure you save.